This property is a 4-bedroom, 2 full baths, and 1/2 bath home. The monthly rental amount is $3,500. Interior features of this property include a brick fireplace, an unfinished basement, hardwood floors, walk-in closets, stainless steel appliances, an eat-in kitchen, and natural gas heat. On the outside, this property features an attached garage, a deck, and a patio. The approximate square footage is 2,186 square feet.